All right, so guys, we're actually back at Unleashed Motorsports. We have the low glow whole kit right here that we're gonna go ahead and be actually equipping the brand new 2024 Dark Horse with. So because I have to actually head to work, I will not be here for the install. However, we'll be picking it up, and we'll be able to see how it looks at night, because it should be just obviously a day turnaround, and we'll just come back tonight to pick it up. All right, so before we actually take off, we want to go ahead and actually look at these beautiful black diamond wheels. We're actually gonna go ahead and be running these temporarily. We also got some tires on there. Again, all running temporarily. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually really happy with these just because it shows those brake calipers way more. So now you can actually see how massive those actual brakes are. But we're actually gonna go ahead and again, leave it here, come back later for the LED glowing, which we'll probably end up showing it at night somewhere else. All right, so obviously you can go ahead and see it's a little past sunset, but dude, this is insane. I literally feel like I'm back in 2000 with the Fast and Furious, man. This is absolutely wild, especially with the vertical door too. So for sure, the lights are actually really bright underneath. So right now we're just rocking the blue. However, we can literally change it to whatever we want. However, if we go to different modes, you can go ahead and see we have plenty of options, just throwing it on random. But just to match the color of the car, we're gonna go ahead and go with that blue. That just looks perfect, I ain't gonna lie. I'm very, very happy right now. Walking around right now over here. I need to grab my iPad because apparently you need the iPad once you click it to get the preview. Nope. So now we literally have the iPad in front of us, so that way we can pretty much see what we're recording. Kind of weird on how that's set up, but so we're literally just finished off the video here at Dutch Bros real quick. This thing looks insane. Sheesh, super freaking happy on how this came out. All right, so we just filled up on the gas. We're about $85 right now. Just filled up both of them. So shout out to Upside, because this is how you come in clutch to get some of that money back. About to make an order on McDonald's, so we can go ahead and pick it up on the way. That's actually, we're gonna go ahead and meet up with some of the other guys from Unleash, so that way we can head out to the actual show. Sheesh. Just because I want to hear it. So we're stopping on our way real quick, so that way we can just get the food, and we're actually gonna be right here on this freeway. We're gonna get on the entrance and pretty much just hold off there and wait till we see the guys and just hop on. So this is gonna be the moment you guys have been waiting for. So we're gonna go ahead and try to line it up with the C8. That is crazy, bro. It actually kept up. Definitely, it felt like it pulled out the higher end, but that was good. That was solid. we took the L on that one. But that was actually really fun. Yo!
Hey Jake, there's an exit right now. There's a Chevy dealership if you want to trade your car.
I'm fucking weak.
Alright, for sure, be safe.
Alright, for sure. I'm full bars too.
I know, I'm full bars too. Yeah, Shelby.
He's right there. I think he's to the left. Yeah, he's to the left.
Is that SUV right there?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Both of them. Two of them right there. Why do they leave them on? They're not even in their cars. They're getting food. Bro, to all the cops out there, turn your radar off when you're eating food.
Did you park where the tires this way, or did you turn the steering wheel, or?
Nah, he hit my shit and it caused it to go that way.
Yeah, no, that tire's bent.
Damn, bro. Have fun, be safe. We're gonna go ahead and jump back in. So he's actually gonna have to get towed. So we're pretty much gonna continue on our way to the show now, but that sucks. So